100. Question 1. What law deals with credit, APR and advertising of consumer loans? Answer 1. Tyler Regulation Z. Tyler Z. Question 2. Which regulation prohibits kickbacks? Answer 2. RESPA. Question 3. Which regulations requires the lender to cancel PMI when the loan reaches 78% LTV? PMI. 78% LTV. Answer 3. HPA, Homeowners Protection Act. HPA. Question 4. Which regulation prohibits fee splitting? Answer 4. RESPA. Question 5. X is the letter used to describe which regulation? X. Answer 5. RESPA. Question 6. RESPA is the acronym used to describe which law? RESPA. Answer 6. Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act. Question 7. What type of mortgage requires a non-refundable funding fee? Answer 7. VA loan. Question 8. What is the provision in a mortgage enabling a lender to demand full repayment if the borrower defaults on the loan? Answer 8. Acceleration clause. Question 9. What is the provision in a mortgage enabling a lender to demand full repayment if the borrower transfers the loan? Answer 9. Alienation clause. Question 10. What does CFPB stand for? CFPB. Answer 10. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Question 11. What two laws created the CFPB? CFPB. Answer 11. Dodd-Frank Act and Consumer Finance Protection Act. Question 12. Which regulations is designed to help meet the credit needs of the communities in which it operates? Answer 12. CRA, Community Reinvestment Act. CRA. Question 13. Under ECOA rules and regulations, how many days does the borrower have to request a copy of an appraisal report if the application was denied? ECOA. Answer 13. 90. Question 14. Under ECOA rules and regulations, how many days does the lender have to provide a copy of an appraisal report, once requested by the borrower? ECOA. Answer 14. 30. Question 15. If a loan application is approved, under ECOA rules and regulations, when must a copy of the appraisal be provided to the borrower? ECOA. Answer 15. 3 business days. Question 16. Conforming loans follow the guidelines of which regulators? Answer 16. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Question 17. Which regulation requires the lenders to be equal when extending credit to borrowers? Answer 17. ECOA, Regulation B. ECOA B. Question 18. How old must a borrower be to qualify for a reverse mortgage? Answer 18. 62 years old. Question 19. Which regulations has the primary function of preventing identity theft? Answer 19. FACT Act. Question 20. Which regulation has Section 114 rules? 114. Answer 20. FACT Act. Question 21. Which regulation requires the creditor to verify the validity of any change of address received? Answer 21. Section 114 of the FACT Act. FACT 114. Question 22. What is the payment method used in a reverse mortgage that allows the homeowners to receive a monthly check while living in the property? Answer 22. Tenure method. Question 23. What is the fraud scheme where a borrower uses someone else's name to purchase the property, but that person will not be living at the property? Answer 23. Straw borrower. Question 24. What government lender insures mortgages? Answer 24. FHA. Question 25. What government lender guarantees mortgages? Answer 25. VA loans. Question 26. What government lender loans money to fund purchases in rural areas? Answer 26. USDA Depth of Agriculture. Question 27. What is the value remaining in property after all liens and debts have been paid? Answer 27. Equity. Question 28. A borrower is refinancing his home. How much time does Reg Z give him to change his mind? Reg Z. Answer 28. 3 days. Question 29. Which regulation established the 3-day right of rescission rule? 3. Answer 29. Tyler Reg Z. Question 30. Redlining is part of which regulation law? Answer 30. Fair Housing Act. Question 31. Blockbusting is part of which regulation law? Answer 31. Fair Housing Act. Question 32. Steering is part of which regulation law? Answer 32. Fair Housing Act. Question 33. Trying to convince a homeowner to sell his home by implying that another race ethnicity is moving in the neighborhood is called? Answer 33. Blockbusting panic selling. Question 34. Trying to convince a homeowner to purchase in a particular neighborhood based on his race, religion or ethnicity is called? Answer 34. Steering. Question 35. Refusing to make loans on a property in a certain neighborhood for discriminatory reasons is called? Answer 35. Redlining. Question 36. What does HOPA stand for? HOPA. Answer 36. Home Ownership and Equity Protection Act. Question 37. HOPA loans are part of which larger regulation? HOPA. Answer 37. Reg Z. Tyler. Question 38. High-cost loans are part of which larger regulation? Answer 38. Reg Z. Tyler. Question 39. High-priced loans are part of which larger regulation? Answer 39. Reg Z. Tyler. Question 40. Section 32 loans are part of which larger regulation? 32. Answer 40. Reg Z. Tyler. Question 41. Section 35 loans are part of which larger regulation? 35. Answer 41. Reg Z. Tyler. Question 42. MDIAACT is part of which larger regulation? MGIA Act. Answer 42. Reg Z. Tyler. Question 43. Mortgage Disclosure Improvement Act is part of which larger regulation? Answer 43. Reg Z. Tyler. Question 44. What is another name for annual percentage rate? Answer 44. Effective rate. Question 45. What is another name for interest rate? Answer 45. Note rate or nominal rate. Question 46. PT divided by gross monthly income is referred to as what? PT. Answer 46. Housing ratio or front-end DTI. DTI. Question 47. PT plus monthly debt divided by gross monthly income is referred to as what? PT plus. Answer 47. Total obligation ratio, back-end ratio. Question 48. How long must Tyler disclosures be kept? Tyler. Answer 48. 2 years, exceptions LA is kept for 3 years and CD is kept for 5 years, 2 LA 3 CD 5. Question 49. What is the maximum amount of time that negative info can remain on a credit report? Answer 49. 7 years. Question 50. What is the maximum amount of time that a bankruptcy can remain on a credit report? Answer 50. 10 years. Question 51. Which law regulations states that a bankruptcy can only remain on your credit for a max of 10 years max 10? Answer 51. FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, Reg V. FCRA Reg V. Question 52. Which law regulations states that negative information can only remain on your credit for a max of 7 years? 7. Answer 52. FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, Reg V. FCRA Reg V. Question 53. Which law allows a consumer who has had her credit card used by an identity thief to place a credit freeze on her credit report? Answer 53. FACT Act. Question 54. Which law requires creditors to truncate debit and credit card info on receipts? Answer 54. FACT Act. Question 55. Which regulation require that loan officers must take measures to secure and dispose of, burn and or shred, borrower's sensitive credit information? Answer 55. FACT Act. Question 56. Which regulation states that if a borrower is denied credit, he can receive a free copy of his credit report? Answer 56. FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act Reg V. FCRA Reg V. Question 57. Which regulation states that if a borrower is unemployed, he can receive a free copy of his credit report? Answer 57. FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, Reg v. FCRA Reg v. Question 58. Which regulation states that if a borrower is on SSI or disability, he can receive a free copy of his credit report? SSI. Answer 58. FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, Reg v. FCRA Reg v. Question 59. Which regulation states that if a borrower has been the victim of fraud, he can receive a free copy of his credit report? Answer 59. FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, Reg v. FCRA Reg v. Question 60. Which regulation states that a borrower can receive a free copy of his credit report once a year? Answer 60. FACT Act. Question 61.